I'm sharing how I have been maintaining my edges in my current style. I did leave them out. If you're interested in seeing how I do it, stay tuned. Alright, as I stated, I'm just going to be showing you how I maintain my edges in my current style. I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. This is Nefer Persona, where I share how I maintain my hair, I share makeup, beauty tips, mom information, finance information. So if you're interested in this type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. These are the products that I use on a typical daily basis. And in the blue bottle, that is water with a little bit of conditioner with some peppermint just to refresh. Because you know, if you wear crochets and you keep them up like I do, they tend to kind of smell a little bit musty sometimes. So this is how I keep them refreshed and smelling, somewhat decent. So I'm just going to be showing you what I do. I do this daily as far as the curls of the crochet, but my hair I may do it twice a day because you want to wash your face and clean up in the morning, and then you may do the same thing at night. So they may get treated twice. But this is how I'm going to be maintaining them because, as I stated in the video that I had when I installed these, it's all about my edges. I need to get them back. They never really came back when I lost some postpartum. Zion is now 4, so they were still kind of in bad shape in my opinion. They were so full during my pregnancy. Like you couldn't even see any gaps or anything. And yeah, a lot of it has to do with me getting older, you start losing hair. But I'm all about saving it. I don't want to lose any hair. I can't afford to lose any hair. If I want to lose it, I know how to get the dang on clippers and buzz it off. So I want it to be voluntary, not involuntary. So this is what I do to maintain. If you want to take heed to what I'm using, this is my edge routine. And I also take vitamins, and I try my best to drink a lot of water and eat healthy because healthy hair and a healthy lifestyle starts on the inside. So invest in a good vitamin. I currently take Nature's Bounty right now, and I'm thinking about incorporating fish oil back into my regimen because it does work. So enjoy. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Hit me up in the comments, and I hope you stick around to the end. Just kind of see how it turned out. You saw how it began. If you want to see more of my content, to hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey, stay safe out there. Happy New Year too. really quick to just stress how important it is to use this wig shine when you have crochets. People always ask me what do I use, and this is it. As you see, I have two. This one is actually new to me. It is a detangler and a cuticle sealer. So yes, you can use it on your own natural hair. But for this style, this is what keeps it up. I promise I don't use mousse. I do not use any wrapping lotion or anything like that. I use water and this wig shine. I may come in and use a little bit of gel here and there just to intertwine my hair in like you see me doing, but remember that it is synthetic and it's not going to absorb any product that you put on it. It's plastic. It's going to sit on top. So wig shine and water is going to be your best solution for detangling and making your curls pop. The proof is in the pudding. As you see me sitting here using it, go back and watch any older videos of my crochets. That's all I use. So if you want your hair to last and look like mine, not trying to boast or brag, but that's just what I do. And I hope that tip helped. All right, continue to watch if you're still interested.